Millions of rusted padlocks sit abandoned, discarded as useless metal after years of wear and rust. But in industrial manufacturing, scrap metal isn't waste. It is the vital starting point for a complete transformation. Today, we witness how tons of rusty locks are reclaimed and converted into brand new high-security padlocks. Cleaned locks move straight into heavy-duty industrial shredders and crushers, where powerful steel blades chew through solid brass and iron, reducing solid locks into manageable raw metal pieces. The purified brass and steel scrap enter electric arc furnaces heated above 1,000 degrees Celsius. In intense heat, the scrap completely liquefies. The hot-formed steel shackles go through rapid water-quenching baths to alter their molecular structure, granting them maximum tensile strength and resistance against bolt cutters. Robotic arms and automated vibratory feeders position tiny springs, brass pins, and locking mechanisms into the machined bodies. Every completed padlock undergoes rigorous automated testing. For more interesting videos, subscribe our channel, Rebirth.